Detail world, what it do, man? We out here at this appointment, first of the day. We about to do this Ford F-150 Raptor. We actually did the Mercedes-Benz yesterday, the Mercedes-Benz GLE 580. This is actually her son car. She asked me to come back today to do her son car, so we actually came and got it. But we about to start on the interior. The interior already started on the wheels, so the wheels already done. Already started down the running boards and things like that. Rennie already in the inside. You look at it like always. Your typical debris. You see your dog hair. You know what I mean? Leaves, sticks, debris, stuff like that. You see your sticks, the straw, just all this stuff comes from trees. You know, it's under a tree, but looking to crack the crevice of the seats, they dirty shit like that. Cup holder, he wiped that down already. He already got it going. You know, got it working back there. But, you know, got it going over there. Randy, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on?
You got something for the people today?
Hey, the word for today, man, I'll be damn. Intervention, man.
Intervention?
Yeah, because you have to do an intervention sometime on some of these cars, man. Look at all these dogs here, man.
Alright.
Well, ain't no way, man. Woo, Lord, look at that. The dog must be driving, y'all.
Man, I feel it. And he said the dog must be driving, man. Yeah, man, like Rennie said, the word of the day is intervention. And I hope y'all have an intervention and come to realize that y'all haven't hit that subscribe button yet, man, or have an intervention and realize you don't leave a comment, or you don't like, or share my videos. So, man, get it together, man. Intervene and make my day better by hitting that subscribe button, man. And in the process, we're going to go ahead and knock out this Ford F1 Raptor and get it looking back to standard. And we're going to catch you in a minute. Peace. YouTube, what it do, man? We just finished the exterior of this Ford F-150 Raptor. Like I said, we had to do a little bit more intensive work in the inside. All that dog hair make the job a little bit harder. Excuse me for a minute, cause just getting up like that just made me lightheaded. But yeah, we knocked the exterior of the car out. Came out well, windows, wheels, door jam, runner board. Everything came out swell. Like I said, Rennie's still in the inside working on that, but he got it knocked out on the side if you look. Came out real. If you remember what it looked like prior to, had a lot of dog debris, dog hair, things like that, sticks, twigs. So look at the door, remember what the door looked like. But everything coming out swell, man, like I said. Like I said, you see Rennie getting it cracking right now. I'm letting it back in and do what it do. You know what I mean? So, but, like I said, I'm about to pull out the other car real quick, start on the exterior of that. Then we just gotta finish the back and then up there, and he'll be done. But like I said, we completely done with this Ford F-150 Raptor. It's a beautiful truck, it really is. I love that color. I'm not sure what's the name of that color, but like always, man, I take pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care. New shirts coming out next week, and we trying to come out with some merch, some air fresheners and floor mats, things like that. But I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you do what you got to do. Hit that subscribe, hit them likes, leave a share, leave a comment, and I'm gonna get back with you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? I have never seen one of these. I've never even seen one of these on YouTube. I have not seen one of these in person. This is a Jeep RHINO XT. Man, this thing sound like a beast when it started up. I mean, this thing sounded, but this thing is, man, look at the wheels. Got some nice rims on it. You know what I mean? Big. Good. You know, got the speaker box right here. Look at that. Got the subwoofer in the back. Got the mufflers right here. That's serious right there. Got the mufflers right here. And now look at that large gas tank, man. Just look at this thing. Under shocks, got some Sears shocks. Oh, 9 yards, man. But this thing is serious, man. Like I've never seen one of these before. I know it looked like it got need a lot of work on it. Seemed like it. Paint kind of shoddy, but I like these little designs in the inside. You know what I mean? You can tell it's a Jeep. It looked just like a Jeep in the inside. That one thing I will admit, it's like a Jeep, but all these little cool little accents and things like that, pretty cool. I want to hear what the sound system sound in this thing, so I'm definitely gonna turn it up. But other than that, man, I'm about to go ahead and start on the exterior of this car. Rennie's still over there on the Ford Raptor, and we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking on this car. like always, man, we're gonna do what we gotta do, so do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, detail world. Like I said, we just had to do an interior, exterior cleaning on this, I guess this is called a Jeep RHINO, not 100%, but I'm just calling it the RHINO XT. Man, I know y'all heard what that thing sound like when it started up. Thing sounds amazing. But regardless to that, man, Rennie finna finish up on this part. Already did the whole exterior, inside, outside, windows clean, everything's clean. I just gotta wipe off the top of the sunroof, things like that. But the car came out pretty good. Like I said, it got that red interior. You know what I mean? But I love this car. That's my first time seeing it, but this thing is a beast. Like you see the rims, you got the little spinning piece, the little floater, so they float when the rim moving. That's gonna stay still. It's weighted. So but yeah, other than that, man, the car came out. Like I said, it got them red seats, got the RHINO symbol right there, things like that. But other than that, the car came out well. Didn't take too much longer to finish it up. We got one more car here, and then we done. But like always, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate the support I've been getting. I picked up a lot of subscribers. We get more comments, things like that. But in the meantime, man, just continue doing what y'all gotta do, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all with y'all in the next shot, man. Peace. YouTube, what it do, man? We on this last field at the same house. We doing this Jeep Wrangler. It's like one of those 1930 editions, 1940 editions, like the ones they was using in World War II. But it's a pretty nice Jeep. It has no carpeting inside. It's just all metal. This car's just all metal. All that hurt. That literally hurt. But this car's all metal. This thing is called a SCRAMBLER. Scrambler. It's gonna scram you. It's gonna ram you. It's gonna rambler. They should have called it an ambler. But anyway, we're about to go ahead and get it cracking. It already got a half a top, no back. It's a Jeep Scrambler. But like always, man, we about to go ahead and knock it out. I already did most of the wheels. This wheel's still dirty. You look at that wheel's still dirty. But like always, man, we're gonna do what we gotta do. You do what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Tell what y'all think about these cars today. It's only 3 for the day, but man, tell me something, please. Bye. Peace. All right, YouTube. We just finished this Jeep Scrambler, Jeep Rubicon, Jeep Wrangler, Jeep RHINO, Jeep whatever. They Jeep doing their thing, man. But this is stick shift. Not too much of nothing. We just, like I said, they don't have any carpet, so I just had to do a lot of wiping down in the inside. Like I said, don't have no carpet at all. Just straight metal. But other than that, the car came out well, man. It's a nice Jeep, man. I love to ride this thing around the city on a nice summer day with the doors off, with the kids in the back, throwing trash out the window for my kids. That's litterers, because I litter. But anyway, we finished the car up here, man. Came out swell, man. Like I say, we didn't really have too many on the schedule today because it was supposed to rain today, supposed to rain tomorrow, supposed to rain Thursday, supposed to rain Friday. So it's kind of hard to get the schedule going with all this iffy weather, man. But like I said, we knocked this car out right here. We knocked out this Ford. Now we just knocked this out. So I appreciate y'all like always, man. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for leaving these comments. Thanks for leaving these likes and shares on the videos, man. I appreciate all that. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You gotta do it. Rennie, you gotta need closing words for these people?
Hey man, enjoy the rest of this rainy day.
All right, you heard them. Enjoy the rest of this day. We're gonna do the same, man. But like always, we're gonna do what we gotta do. So you're gonna do what you gotta do. And we're gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Put them L's up in the sky and tell everybody one love, man. Cause that's all we want in this world is one love. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.